What's up, guys? I'm back with another short quick video. As you know, I went to the new coil on plug mini. I decided to build a standalone plug and play with this old controller just to test, and we're gonna see if it actually works or not as this standalone unit. Stay tuned. As a demonstration, I have converted the car back to stock distributor and plug wires. Alright, and I did convert the car back to stock plug to see if this would all work, but you basically just plug it in, boom boom boom, plug it in, ground it, and I just got these pinned in, but we'll see if it starts up. And it does. And it works. Standalone plug and play harness. Right there. You're seeing it. RPM still work, everything looks good. Thanks for watching.